Hi, and welcome to Chicago Job and Business Networking Group's website. I'm Jack Chapman. I call this website CJ Bing for short. I invented CJ Bing because when I tried to coach my clients to go out and network, I never really had a complete, reliable, up-to-date, comprehensive list of all the different job and networking groups in the Chicago area. And I found out why that list didn't exist. It's way too time intensive to keep a list like that up to date. So since there are many, many groups, I thought, why not give each of them their own control over their site, and they can post their own events and post all the information about their groups. So that's why I've developed this site on a Ning platform, so we can have that kind of interaction. Now here's how you can get the most use out of this website. There are two tabs you want to look at. One is called Groups, and the other is called Events. When you click on the Groups tab, you'll have a list of all the groups in order, and they'll give you some apples-to-apples comparisons of who they are and whether there's a fee, where they meet, locations, and things like that. Then you can click on the Events tab to hear the actual events that are scheduled for any of these groups. And those events will be related to job hunting, or those events will be related to business development networking. Either way, I wish you the very best of career satisfaction and success. I'm Jack Chapman. Have a prosperous day.